Well, first, I'm a mother and a wife, but I know I have more of a purpose. I just need clarity. I have a lot of love to give. I don't receive it well.
There's nowhere to go. There's no rush to get there.
What my heart aches for is change. Change in this world, change in society, change from one person to the next, that people can treat their fellow man with respect and kindness, and it really doesn't take much. So I'd really like to, even just with my own actions, just try to change the way the world operates.
You're going to write the 3 things that you're choosing to release from your life or from your relationships. You're going to write it on that little birch round, and you're going to put that in your backpack. Okay? Because that's baggage. It's more baggage.
I would say that's definitely what my heart aches for, is just positivity. I want mostly my family, but anybody I would come in contact with, just to think positive before negative.
I'm generally not an emotional guy. Well, let me rephrase that. I'm an emotional guy, I don't show it. So doing things like this is way out of my comfort zone. I'm willing to do it because I know how it's important for where I want to go.
I just feel like there is something more to the relationships that I have that I haven't found yet. And I believe in order to achieve that, I have to connect within myself. I have to let go of resentment. I have a lot of resentment when things aren't perfect, and it really eats away at me. And sometimes I have to realize that things aren't always going to be perfect, and sometimes there's beauty in that, and to just let it go if it's not.
It's been a wonderful path, and I'm grateful for it. It wasn't always easy. And now I'm ready to be rooted and strong, and make the change and engage.
The essence of who we are is loving beings. All we got to do is shine our light.
I've had to really protect myself and guard myself, and I think I was so guarded from receiving negative energy that I wasn't allowing myself to have positive come in and heal me.
This experience was everything that I hoped for and more. I released a lot of the emotions I wasn't able to express in life and felt my heart open so much more. I feel stronger and more authentic as who I am, and I know that I can express more in my life.
I see clearer today than ever before.